Jotono lamsuk mai contest the YouTube channel lo tini kaisa job notification kata langkormani nongno phonogoi tongo bongke Health and Family Welfare Department ni Government of Tripura notification kaisa kata langkorka bongke jara ANM eba multipurpose worker jara training khlaijak bongni bagi o job notification sangtabona lenai Onke date rijak tongo 23rd August 2024 Government of Tripura Directorate of Family Welfare and PM Agartala West Tripura bahai rijak tongo pulian kaisa request nongno jara ani YouTube channel lo subscribe khai gongke subscribe khainadi tai bell icon sinata pungli kata video upload khaipro notification thang soknya bagai jotona norok je ani video tini naitong nairo kata subscribe khai kongke norok subscribe khainadi obo hongke online application invited recruitment of the post multi-purpose worker male and female angke o jaga rojak tongo salatai broi multi-purpose worker ni bagai o job obo hongke Health and Family Welfare Department Government of Tripura bongo fix pay mane rang abongke monthly 60,000 50 75% entry pay level 7 abaike klai rang mannai monthly wo apply klaina bagai eligible as income 18 বছর simi maximum 40 years tai sini ST tai SC PWD physical handicap borok hongke 5 year eligible manai abongke 45 years old apply claim mano total jagawa 100 ta post tongo vacancy abo hongke MPW male and MPW female hongke jagawa total tongo 50 khai rajak total amake multi-purpose worker job category wise khakjak tonga bongke SC salarongni 8 ta tai borongni 9 ta angke tai sini ST rongke 16 ta salarongni borongni 15 ta tongo unreserved category rombagai hingke 26 khai rajak salatai bri EX serviceman rombagai unreserved category 1 vacancy tongro tai PWD 02 salarongni tai 02 borongni tongo total site tongo vacancy PWD rombagai educational qualification gangke ojagao ek number ojak tongo candidate 12 pass high secondary pass nangnai 2 number tongo training khlaijak ANM eba multi-purpose worker khlaijak 2 years abo haike rijak tongo government under ro khlaijak 3 number ojak tongo jagao register bo khlaijak na nangnai abo hongka Tripura State Nursing Council eba Tripura State Diploma Nursing Examination Board register khlaijak nangnai haike apply khlaimaya desirable qualification jak tongo knowledge Bengali eba kokborok obhai tongna nangnai jara apply khlainarok borok written exam ungnai tai viva interview naharjaknai o jagao duita website rojak tongo noro click khaiei noro online apply khlaimano o job ni bagai job apply khlaina bagai date rojak tongo 30 August 2024 to 28 September 2024 sarikni 5 PM 5 jorotei apply khlaimanai angka jara multi-purpose training khlaijak ANM training khlaijak eba borok porjarok norok o jaga jara eligible tongnai noro apply khlaimanom 30 August ni simi apply solinai online norok khlainarak baidi